Alright guys, name this insect here. It's from on a window. I don't know what kind of insect it is. Might be one of those Alright guys, these are all the insects we get in the Okanagan Valley. It might be one of these guys here that I got on my window. A cute little Cicada bug there. So this little guy might be... Alright guys, that might be the bug that we saw in the pamphlet there that's known to the Okanagan Valley. It's so totally cute little guy. Hanging out in my bedroom here, pretty cool. Alright guys, take care.